Welcome. Here's Johanna. I'm a certified ascension coach with Twin Flames Universe. Welcome in my new video. Today we're going to talk about why is it that your twin flame turns hot, warm, cold, on you. So why is that? I have seen this question quite a lot. This can really happen in your twin flame union because, in the beginning, most of the times what we feel when we meet our twin flame, this is also described in the book Twin Flames Finding Your Ultimate Lover by Jeff and Shaleia, is that big sense of love, or that big sense of connection, or that big sense of that really those I don't know, those warm feelings, right? Because naturally there's a lot of love between twin flames. That's just what's going on between twin flames. It's naturally there. However, most of the times that period where it's all like fuzzy, loving, all good, honey, butterflies, sun and butterflies, you know, this usually that phase, it doesn't last so long. Usually your twin flame will soon make you aware of a lot of upsets, or might do things that you don't like. They might trigger you, they might not talk to you, they might not respond to you, or like we now just said, or just all of a sudden turn cold on you. And so what's here really happening? Like, why is this happening that your twin flame turns cold on you? So the reason why your twin flame is turning cold on you is because your twin flame is your greatest mirror. They are a mirror of your soul. You're one with them. And you only, you share only with your twin flame one consciousness, one heart space, and you're literally one being. So basically what happens is, when your twin flame, seemingly you perceive it that way, right? You perceive them as them turning cold on you. And because you perceive it, it's also, the thing is like this, because your outward reality will always show you your inside world. Meaning is, depending on however you feel about your twin flame or any other area of your life, it reveals something within yourself where you have a misalignment. And that's why the mirror exercise is so valuable, because the mirror exercise encourages you to see the upset that you have in your physical life, whether it's with your twin flame or with anything in your life, to take responsibility for your upset that you have with your twin flame or with anything in your life, and then to turn it to yourself, to look within where that upset is and how you can heal it, and that, so that you love yourself, and so that you come into greater peace, love, and union with yourself, and then therefore naturally with your twin flame. But the reason your twin flame turns cold on you is because you turn cold on yourself. And now you might say, how can you do this? How can you turn cold on yourself? For example, if you have a desire in your heart, you have a dream, or you have a vision, or you have a value, or something that's very important to you, and all of a sudden you completely disregard it, or you completely ignore it, or turn cold on it. If you're like hot and cold towards yourself, or towards a dream, or towards something that you love, or because your twin flame is showing you something in your inside world, what you're doing to yourself. So getting clear on where in your life do you have that hot and cold behavior? Do you have that towards yourself, towards your dream, or anything? Because it's important to heal that energy, because your twin flame will mirror your energy because they are a perfect energetic match to you. So meaning is, your twin flame meets you perfectly where you are, and you meet them perfectly where you are. So meaning is, you meet them perfectly, spiritually, physically, mentally, emotionally, in every level, because that's how twin flames are. And so if you notice in your twin flame and you don't like that in your twin flame, that he's turning cold on you, then you can really look within yourself where you have that energy. How are you doing this to yourself, or like to anything in your life that's that's within you and that you're doing as well. So really, because anything that annoys you or that you see in your twin flame and that upsets you, that really just upsets or annoys you within yourself. And so you're actually, when you say you're frustrated or upset because your twin flame turns cold on you, you're just upset with yourself because you turn cold on yourself. On some level, you have that part within yourself. And so the key here to resolve any upset with your twin flame is really applying the teachings of union and the mirror exercise, because your twin flame will not stop doing that thing unless you heal it, if it's your true twin flame. Because your twin flame must, and they are designed to do that. That's just naturally how they are designed. They are designed to mirror your consciousness, because again, they are your perfect energetic match. They are your perfect mirror. So whatever pattern is going on within you, they have that too. And that can feel, once you fully realize that and grasp that concept, it's very relieving, because in your twin flame union you have a lot of power, meaning you can change your pattern, misalignment pretty easily and quickly, even though sometimes they can be deeper and you might need to work on it deeper and deeper or more often. But usually, it can go, if you really heal it at the core. That's what I would love to help you. For example, if you would like help, which I highly encourage you to claim for yourself, just because you deserve to have results in your life. You deserve to be with your twin flame sooner than later. And all I can say is that if you claim your support properly, or the teachings of union that I've linked down also below in the description box, or coaching with me, you are like very able to move through your opposites way more quickly. You're healed through any separation consciousness or through any upset way more easier, more efficiently, and so on and so on. So that's how I know how it works. That's how it worked for me. That's how I see how it works for many other clients too. The moment when you start to go all in and claim your support and really heal the upsets, because that's the thing. Your twin flame is your ultimate mirror, and if you truly want to be with your twin flame, with your one true love, whom you have naturally in your heart, like, this is required. This is the work that you need to do, or you can do, and it's for you, because every upset that you heal with your twin flame or with anything in your life, it's for you, so that you feel better, so that you feel more love in your being, or that you create a more better or more loving life for yourself. So really, in truth, your twin flame is helping you and themselves very, very much, no matter how annoying, no matter how frustrated it is. And again, like, be very compassionate with yourself if you move through a lot or have just found out the twin flame concept, because yeah, it can bring up really, really many feelings. And there, I even more encourage you to really reach out, claim your support. Don't let yourself sit in upsets, don't let yourself hang, but know that there is support available for you. And yeah, there are people out there who would love to support you as well. And so that's just what I know is like, you know, I'm so grateful that I receive support. I receive till to this day support, and it's so nice to be supported on your journey as well towards your ultimate dreams, because yeah, you deserve them, and literally only you can stop you from having them. So don't be that person. Allow yourself to have your dreams and put in the effort, because yeah, only you can do it and you're worth it. So if this video spoke to you, then please reach out to me. I have linked down below my email, or you can also click on my website, or drop down below a comment if you like, or reach out to me, and I'm more than happy to help you or to get started. And also, if you would like me to speak about another juicy topic, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.